Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle, Killer Sudoku, in the puzzle page of the weekend edition of Saturday, Sunday, July the 13th, July the 14th, 2024. We have here six puzzles. 4 out of 6 I will do. And the first puzzle I've already solved is the 4-star Sudoku. So 3 puzzles are left. The Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, the Binary, and the Killer Sudoku. Yes, it's killer time. And this one will be number 8894. 8894. Let me zoom this. Double 894. We have here 2 given numbers. Given number 4 in this quadra box of 16. Here, given number 5 in this quadra box of 19. Okay, for Killer Sudoku, my average time for solving a Killer Sudoku is 20 to 30 minutes to solve. If you compare with the 1-star, 2-stars, 3-stars, and the 4-star Sudokus, in the additional, it will be a 3-stars puzzle. All right, let's get started. My first strategy is to look for a big square with 1 sharing box. This one has 1 sharing box. We have 9 big squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And this big square has 1 sharing box. This one has also 1. This one has 1. This one has 1. This one is complete. What you need to know is the total sum of a big square is always 45. If you count all these numbers, the total sum is 45. The total sum of a column is always 45. The total sum of a row is always 45. Okay, let me continue. This one has 1, this one has 1, this one has 1, and this one has 1. Let me start with this one. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. Okay, 5 plus 12 is 17. Double 17 is 34. 34 plus 10 is 44. So 45 minus 44 is a 1. This box should be a 1. In the box of 9, the combination will be 1 plus 8. Okay, this is complete now. How about this big square? 8 plus 12 is 20. 20 plus 15 is 35. 35 plus 8 is 43. So 45 minus 43 is a 2. In the box of 5, the combination will be 2 plus 3. Okay, this is also complete. How about this big square? Double 8 is 16. 16 plus 16 is 32. 32 plus 9 is 41. So 45 minus 41 is a 4. This box is a 4. In the box of 6, the combination will be 4 plus 2. This one is complete. How about this big square? 8 plus 12 is 20. 8 plus 11 is 19. 19 plus 20 is 39. So 45 minus 39. 45 minus 39 is a 6. This box should be a 6. In the box of 9, the combination will be 6 plus 3. Alright. Now, my next strategy is to look for boxes with only 1 combination. For example, the box of 4. Only 1 combination, 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1. The box of 16. 1 combination, 9 plus 7. 9 plus 7. The box of 16. 9 plus 7. 9 plus 7. Let me see. Okay. Penta box of 24. Well, the box of 17. 9 plus 8. 9 plus 8. Alright, and now. 4 and the 8. 4 and the 7. Okay, alright. Need a. Well, in this big square, we have 2 boxes left. The box of 13, the box of 10. One of the missing number in this big square is number 8. Well, I cannot place the 8 in the box of 10, otherwise the combination will be 2 plus 8. The 2 is already used in this big square. Should be in the box of 13. Combination 8 and a 5. 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. 8 and a 5. Alright, so the other 2 numbers should be the 1, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing. 4 and a 6. Okay. And now, let me see. There are 2. Now, my next strategy is to look for boxes with 2 combination. The box of 15, there are 2 combinations for the box of 15. 8 plus 7 and 9 plus 6. Well, the 8 is already used in this third column, so I cannot place here the 8 and the 7, so it should be 9 and 6. 9 and 6. Okay, here I need to wait. One of the missing number in this big square is number 4. Cannot place the 4 in the box of 8. Then I need another 4. Double 4 is not allowed. So it should be in the box of 12. Combination 4 and 8. 4 and 8. Let me mark those. Okay. Then let me see. Well, there are 2 combinations for the box of 15. 9 plus 6 and 8 plus 7. The 6 is already used in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So I cannot place the 6 and the 9 here. So it should be 8 and a 7. 8 and a 7. Okay. Then let me see. 8 need a 7. 7 and 3. 7 and a 5. Okay. Well. And now. Now I need to think. 4 and 8. Well, in this big square, we need an 8. I cannot place the 8 in the box of 8, otherwise the combination will be 8 plus 0. 0 is not allowed. The lowest number I can use is number 1. So I can here we have another box of 8. So the only place left for the 8 should be in the box of 9. Combination 8 and a 1. 8 and a 1. Alright. And now you can really 8. I need a 3 here. Well, we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column. 9 in one of those 2 boxes in that column. So the column between, the only 3 places left on the 9 should be here, or there. I cannot place the 9 in the box of 8, of course. Otherwise, I need -1. Well, -1 is not allowed. Lowest number I can use is number 1. So it should be here, the 9. In the box of 11, combination will be 9 plus 2. Okay. Then, in this big square, we need an 8. I cannot place the 8 in a box of 8. We have 2 boxes of 8. So it should be in a box of 12. Combination 8 and a 4. 8 and a 4. We have a 4 in this second row. No 4 there. 4 should be here and 8 goes there. 8 and a 1. We have an 8 in the last column. So no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 1 goes there. 8 and a 5. We have an 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here and a 5 goes there. In this big square, we need a 5. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 should be in the box of 8 in this column. Combination 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. Let me mark those. So we have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. This box should be a 1. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing. 1 and a 7 is the combination here. 4 and a 6, we have a 4 in the last column. So no 4 there. 4 should be here. 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in the last column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. 2 and a 6. We have a 2 in the last row. So no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 6 goes there. 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. Okay. So we have 2 in this row, two, last row, 2 in the row above, on that row. Only 3 places left, 2 should be here or there. I cannot place the 2 in the box of 15. Otherwise, the combination will be 2 plus 13. 13 is not allowed. The highest number I can use is number 9. So it should be in the box of 8. Combination 2 and a 6. 2 and a 6. Alright. Two combination for the box of 15. 9 plus 6 and 8 plus 7. Well, the 6 is already used here. So it should be 8 and a 7. 8 and a 7. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be in the 7 goes there. Alright. 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so the column between. The only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Alright. Yeah, I need to wait. How about the 4 in this row? First row. 4 in the second row. So in the third row. The only 2 places left for the 4 goes in the box of 10. Combination 6 and a 4. 6 and a 4. We have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this second column. No 4 there. 4 should be here and a 6 goes there. 6, 6. Okay. 6 and 8. Alright. We have here 2 boxes left in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. Well, I cannot place the 2 in the box of 12. Otherwise the combination will be 2 plus 10. 10 is not allowed. So it should be in the box of 5. Combination 2 and a 3. 2 and a 3. We have 3 in the first row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. One numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. Combination 5 and a 7. 5 and a 7. 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. In the box of 5, the combination will be 4 plus 1. In the box of 12, the combination here will be 3 plus 9 is equal to 12. So now we have 2 boxes left in this big square, the box of 7 and the box of 13. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 7. Well, I cannot place the 7 in the box of 7, of course. Otherwise, the combination will be 7 plus 0. 0 is not allowed. So it should be in the box of 13. Combination 7 and 6. 7 and 6. We have 6 in the second column. No 6 there. 6 should be here and the 7 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. 2 and the 5. We have a 5 in this middle row. No 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. 5 in the first column, 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the third column, so the column between. The second column, the only place left for 5 should be there. In the box of 8, the combination will be 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. Here, 2 and a 6. That means we have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So this box can be 6 and more. That box should be 6. This box should be 9. Okay. 4 and 8. We have 8 now in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 4 goes there. Well, and now need a 4 here. Well, 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left. The 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the middle column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. And the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. Need to wait. Okay. 9 and a 7. We have a 7 now in this row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. 9 goes there. 9 and a 8. We have a 8 in the second row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 9 goes there. Okay. Well. Need 8 there. Or there. Let me think. Come on. Need a 7 here. Here or there. Well, we in this row we need a 7, the third row. Well, I cannot place the 7 in the box of 14, otherwise I need another 7. Double 7 is not allowed, so this box can be 7. So the 7 could be here or there. We see another 7 in this column. No 7 is 7. Should be there. In the box of 12, combination will be 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. So we have a 5 in this row, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 3. So one box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. In the box of 14, combination will be 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. Alright, and now 8 and a 7, we have 8 in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 and a 6, we have a 6 now in this column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. 2 goes there. Then, let me see. One box left in this row for number 1. 2 numbers left in the middle row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 9 goes there. We have one box left in this penta box of 24. 1 plus 9 is 10. 6 plus 3 is 9. So 19. So one box left. 19. We need a 5 there. Yeah. 19 plus 5 is equal to 24. 1 and a 9. We have a 9 now in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. No 1 goes there. 1 and a 7. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 9 and a 7, we have a 9 in the last row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, 7 goes there. 7 and a 5, we have a 5 in the second row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 7 goes there. 1 and a 7, we have a 7 in the second row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, 1 goes there. One box left in the second row for number 1, the 2 is missing. And the final 2 numbers in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1. Oh, no. We have 2 missing numbers here. 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. 9 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 4 in the middle column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Finished in 17 minutes. Well, I'm pleased with the time. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you later. In a minute with other 2 puzzles. The Jigsaw Sudoku and the binary. Until then, bye-bye for now.